Hi guys, this is Ruff, and what we got here is this iPhone 11, and we will unbox this iPhone 11 product red version. As you know, there's an iPhone 12 that is just released recently, and I still think the iPhone 11 is still the best value iPhone right now in the market. We got here this 64 gig, and let's open it up. Alright, so here's the back of this product red iPhone 11, and it still looks good. We got here this mirror back and also this dual camera. We got some paperwork here, and I already set up this iPhone 11 and removed the plastic as well. Here is the pin ejector. We got some paperworks here, and also the good thing here is we still got here the free headset. As you know, with the new iPhone 12, they don't have free headsets or even a power brick. They only have a charging cable, which is actually, I think, bad for Apple. I don't like what they've done, on my opinion, but let's discuss it on a different video. It is still good that this iPhone 11 have this kind of freebies though. My last iPhone is actually the iPhone 6, and I'm excited to check and use this iPhone 11, especially with its gestures and Face ID, and I've heard that there's a lot of good things about its cameras as well, and I'll definitely try to test it. We all know that the processor and the optimization of iPhones are really good, and it's always one step ahead of its competition. Also, I'm excited with the new iOS 14, and I would love to test and check all of the new features added on it. And as you can see here, I already updated this on iOS 14.1, and so far everything is great. The transitions are all smooth and it's battery fast. And they have added this app library, which is like an app drawer in Android, and you can now put widgets on your home screen. Yes, and after 1,000 years. And there are now more customization right now, and they're not like some old boring home screen like before. I'm glad with these new changes, and for my first impression, it is really good. Switching from one app to another is sweet, although it still cannot open two apps at the same time like its competitor does. It's a shame on how powerful its processor is. But I'm really glad with all of these changes here, especially because my last iPhone is the iPhone 6. And one thing that I really noticed is its animation. It's really great. It's actually the best that I've seen on a smartphone compared to any other Android phones that I've used as well. And its quality build is top notch, although I don't like the notch itself, but it really feels good in your hand, and it's really premium build. And the good thing about this is it is also have a wireless charging and also a waterproofing as well. On the left side, what we got is the volume up and down and the mute switch. And on the bottom part, we got here the speakers and the USB lightning. And on the right side is the power button. And on the top side, there's some camera lens is bigger than I thought. It is an ultra wide and a wide camera angle, and I would definitely test it on my review here. So this is my unboxing of this red iPhone 11. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.